Alright, don't break your neck. Austin's gonna try to do a backflip.
Remember the step-by-step?
I might have to go get me a new battery. My battery's about to die.
Get a neck brace too, bro.
Can you put 2 hands down if you need? You guys are gonna get engaged. And I want you to take a
Put the
30-second break.
Yeah.
I'm living too fast, yeah. So much time has passed. What are we to do? We really have no clue. Living too fast, can't take in the moment. Time has passed, didn't even notice. Hard to realize, yeah, I'm losing focus. Lost my mind, Hollywood emotions. Living too fast, can't take in the moment. Time has passed, didn't even notice. Hard to realize, yeah, I'm losing focus. Lost my mind, Hollywood emotion.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing a little challenge here. It's gonna be the Mountain Dew versus the Monster Hydro. Alright? I'm gonna see how many rubber bands I can put on those things right there before they just explode all over the place. We're gonna be putting some glitter in it though too, which is gonna be pretty wild. I did a little poll on my Instagram to see which of them I should put in there. But without further ado, let's get it. So, I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna put a little bit of that green in there, you know what I'm saying? Holy shnikes. And to spice it up, put a little bit of purple in there. Yeah, look at all that. Alright. So now that the glitter's in there, I'm just gonna do a nice little spin around move. Get all the glitter going. Yeah. Alrighty. We getting that pink in there. On the pink in there. And let's go ahead and do blue. See what it's like with just some pink and blue in there. Straight mountain of blue too. Purple on top of it. Whoa. That looks insane. Alright, so we got every color but green in here now. Oh my gosh. Mixing it up. Just off the top of your head, go comment down below right now. Go comment down below right now and let me know which one of these, the Mountain Dew or the Monster, is gonna explode first. Go down there right now and let me know. Be sure to like and subscribe. I got tons more content coming. I'm about to mix them both. Already mixed the Mountain Dew a little bit. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Alright. That is wild. Do not do this at home. I'm not doing this to drink it, I promise. Just doing a little challenge. Oh my gosh. So let's go. One. Well, I'm gonna have to do a double timer on that one. One, two, 3. What are you doing? I might say. I have no fucking clue, but. Alright. Honestly, my opinion, guys, both these guys right here are winners. Took on the same amount, and they did it. They did it together. Look at that. Look at them. United. Alright, I'm gonna get me some Mountain Dew. Alright. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, you better fucking do it right now, because this is about to get fucking crazy. Let's do it!
The time but can't forget my past. Lost my mind, it wasn't built to last. Here we go again. I'm living too fast, yeah. So much time.